So this is how you can solve the YouTube play button not working. Go on ahead and open up YouTube, and I've seen a lot of people having this problem, so now I know how to fix it. Go and tap the U button at the bottom right, which is your profile, and then go to View All in your history, and you're gonna want to delete all of your history. This is what I read from a comment, and they said it worked. So let's go on ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right, and then tap on Clear All Watch History and go on ahead and tap clear watch history, and it should start working for you. The play button should start working for you. If it doesn't, you could always switch your YouTube account and then switch back, or simply just exit, delete the app, and then reinstall. I'm sure that that will 100% work because it's going to refresh and start a new YouTube app. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.